craft cardstock, some black cardstock, and some gold tongue twister, gold cardstock and gold and black cardstock together. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday tag, or Tags Tuesday, as you want to say it. A new video that I'm going to do, like a mini series. I'll do as long as I wanted to, but every Tuesday I will showcase a different tags project. So this week I'm going to share with you guys how I made these little banners tags using some cardstock, craft cardstock, some black cardstock, and some gold tongue twister, gold cardstock and gold and black cardstock together. I used two of my kits, the Bloody Butterflies background and my Fussy card butterflies. Again, I will show you the kits in just a minute. And as usual, guys, I got my new website, www.AntonioMakes.com. You'll find all my kits. And yeah, I hope you find tons of inspirations in there as well. Right, guys, keep watching, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, this is the Bloody Butterflies background. So let me show you on the catalog. So this is the page with the content. Bloody Butterfly backgrounds, page 6. So it's on page 6 of the catalog. So you've got 5 pages, so 5 beautiful backgrounds full of gorgeous butterflies for £1.85. Right, so let me show you. You've got 5 pages. So when I designed it, I had a few colors in mind because I wanted this to be mix and match with the other kits. So I've got a blue page, which will looks amazing with the other blue collection. So you got the floral background with another background, and then the blue butterflies. This is more a contrast, because I do like the contrast with stripy geometric backgrounds and floral contrast. So I have used more like a earth color. So you've got a bit of sand color, a bit of green, a bit of brownish macaroon sort of maroon sort of color. Not macaroon. Macaroon is what you eat. So no. So I create this contrast, and then this gorgeous blue butterflies, and of course some floral on the corner. And this is probably my favorite page. Again, bigger contrast of small scale floral with a bigger floral and more floral on top, and some more butterflies, of course. And I kept it quite pinkish bluish. This is more burgundy. So again, you've got a floral background, another floral background on top of it, and I just play with different sizes butterflies. I think it's absolutely stunning, in my opinion. And then this one here, again on here, I was just trying to play with different layers. So you have a peaceful, I want to say, a bigger scale background on top, followed by more like a doodling, if you want to call it, detail on top, and then more colorful butterflies. Okay, right, so I've got things organized on my desk. Hashtag be organized. Right, let me show you what I'm doing so you can kind of like follow me along. I got, and I put it together as a part of a set, but it's all different bits and bobs. So this one is a set of dies for labels and tags. Okay, so I have used those two here. So that one, and I have used, I think, yeah, I did a video with these banners ages and ages and ages ago. I love these tags, banners, whatever you want to call them. And then I've got 2 of the label not punch dies. Okay, so I have used this set here, and I'm working on label them so it's easy for me to find it. But separate conversation, I don't want to talk forever. What I've done here, I basically die cut my papers using the second bigger and the third bigger because in my head, in fact, let me show you the papers first and then I'll show you that. And then I fussy cut the butterflies that I want to go on the tag, and I've done the same with this page here. So I've got second bigger and third bigger, and the 2 butterflies that I want to use. Same with this one, I've got those 2 super cute and those 2 butterflies here. It's been raining all day, depressive. I mean, my mum and dad texted me this morning saying they're going to the beach for a swim. It's 32 degrees in there, and here is like 12 degrees, and it's grey and it's raining and it's bleh. But it is what it is. And those 2 the butterflies I'm going to use. And last is those 2 with those 2 butterflies. So basically for each piece I die cut the 2 banners in there, and then I die cut with the larger dies the body or the tag, if it makes sense, and I also die cut the label because I want them to look like that. I might not use all of this with the tag, and then I die cut that one there. So I'm going to do some layering. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but I'm definitely going to put that in there. Okay, so I've got black craft cardstock, which I need to trim it because it's not die cut properly. So I've got black craft and my favorite gold. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to play with this layering of papers, and then at the end you guys tell me which of these 3 background you like the most. Okay, I'll see you very shortly. So on the contents page, so the Bubbly Butterflies Fussy Cut is on page number 7. So it's this page here. On this page you get, this kit includes 6 pages of over 130 fussy cut butterflies, different shapes, sizes and colors. So each of this page is an A4, and I'll show you in just a second. So yeah, free to download. If you don't have the catalog, please go and download it. 6 pages. So we got 1 which is basically an A5 duplicated, so you get these beautiful green butterflies. 1 page with all different colors, all different sizes. Again, this is an A4, which is 11 by 8, 11 something by 8, I would have guessed, inches, but it's international A4 sizes. Page number 3, again, different colors of butterflies. Page number 4, which is basically the first page, but bigger and huge. So you've got this gigantus, enormous butterfly, more like on a greenery color. Page number 5, which is, I think if we put it this way, you could probably see better. They're all blue and orange butterflies. And page number 6, again, slightly bigger scale butterfly. Okay, so this is my Fussy Cut butterflies kit. Okay, so let me show you one by one. Let's start with this on my left. I have used the craft paper and the label die. Kept it very simple. So that is the front with the 2 butterflies, and that is the back with a small tag, with a small banner, sorry. Not my favorite, but I don't mind it. But it's all right. I do like the butterflies with the papers. It's just I don't know. I just don't think the craft cardstock works well. I don't think, but you guys might like it. This is another option I've done because I thought that was way too plain. So I put some gold accent on the banner and also on this little tab in there. So that's the front and that is the back. I like this. I prefer this over that one personally. In fact, I put them in in order from my least favorite to my top favorite. Third in the middle, black one, black with some gold. And I went a bit mad. Went a bit mad and I put gold everywhere, as I normally do. Put gold on the two butterflies as well, and that element. In fact, you can probably see my imprint. So that's the front, that is the back. Then of course it wouldn't be me without gold, so I'm using the gold cardstock. I love this. I think I'm gonna do another project because I really like the deep colors of the papers and the butterfly with the contrast of the metallic. Really like it. So that's the front, and that is the back with a small banner. Like it a lot. And then last but not least, in fact it's my top favorite, is this one. So I didn't put any gold because I put the gold tab in there, and I think, this is my personal opinion guys, you tell me what you think, but gold, black and pink all together is very effective. Really effective. I mean, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. And that's the back. I think if I would have put more gold wax around there, I would have probably spoiled it. So I really like it. Those two are my favorite. Oops. Favorite. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do, I've got another project in mind I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna use some gold, but yeah. Right guys, that's it for today. I hope you like those little tags. Happy Tuesday tags. Let me know in the comment which one you prefer. Again, I'm not saying that I hate it, but it just I don't think the craft cardstock goes well with these colors, so that's kind of more my sort of style. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching. If you wish to purchase the kits, you will find the kits linked down below. And don't forget to download the catalogue if you've not done it already. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. And until next time, stay safe and well.